Hi fellow Harley guys, this here, Twintec. This particular thing is a brand new ECU. It's a racing ECU. Basically, you've got your wideband sensors here, Harley and narrowband, so you're never going to get a perfect mixture anyway. This particular system, this works 2001 twin cams, 36-pin Delphi, which is pretty standard on most of them. 08 up touring obviously don't use it. 2011 up canvas don't use it. But if you've got a Delphi type bike, Dyna, you know, whatever it is, Softail, early baggers, you've no problem at all. Basically, you junk your Harley ECU, this one goes in, very high tech. You've then got your sensor calibrations 1 and 2. This will tell you if it's running properly. But basically, plug and play, really is plug and play. Plenty of videos from Daytona Twintec.com. If you want to check them out, they'll show you how to install this. It's not a massive job. All it is, if you haven't got an exhaust with the lambda holes in, you do need to put these bosses in. That'll allow you to screw in these Bosch wideband sensors. Okay, the Bosch widebands give you the perfect mix all the time. As it says, you know, complete with all the CD. Very easy to fit. You know, it really is. You just take a base map and then the thing will auto-tune. So once you've actually set up your base map, in other words, you've got Vance and irons, you've got whatever air filter it is, you know, etc. You basically, that's a base point. The thing will then take over and automatically adjust every time it fires front and rear cylinder. So hell of a system. Each pipe monitored, each injector adjusted perfectly. You can even add nitrous to the thing or supercharge, you know, whatever you want to do. This thing will really is the dogs, you know, you can't get any better. So rather than convert to carb, in some cases it might actually be better, and this is certainly a lot more accurate than any carburetor, because it will adjust for altitude, it'll adjust for, you know, different humidities, different temperatures, everything. So fully automatic self-tuning, as used by Laura Clock on a bagger, 185 mile an hour, whatever it does. But if you want a land speed record type bike and it's Harley based, this is the one to go for. Give us a call, 01773835666, www.customcruisers.com. Available for Sportsters, also available for the late bikes, Milwaukee 8s. You know, we also do the Thunder Max, which is like a cheaper version of this, but this particular thing really is streets ahead of anything else. This is the original that everyone else copies. So if you want the best, Alan and these guys at Daytona Twintec, the boys to deal with. Custom Cruisers UK wholesaler. So if you're interested, give us a bell. Thank you.